let's get you what's happening in Tamil Nadu now. We saw the kind of campaign that is being led by Thalapathy Vijay, or the actor turned politician. However, this is an exclusive update that what we are picking up, because he's filed his nomination from two different seats, Perambur and Trichy East. Now, in these two affidavits, however, there seems to be different claims there. It is not the same as far as what was submitted in Perambur, and it was different as far as when it comes to claims are concerned. One said that there is no case in one as far as any legal hurdles are concerned. The other affidavit mentions a case, a police case that has been disclosed in the Trichy East constituency. Now, this information seems to be missing apparently in the Perambur filing of his nomination, which, according to reports, what we are learning, that it claims of no pending legal case. But the Trichy East seat mentions a case that was filed back in 2025, Madurai case, that has been disclosed later. So Vijay, however, has been claiming no prior intimation, but this seems to be the two difference of the affidavit copies that is now being highlighted, and that is something that has been picked up. First is the Trichy East and second is Perambur. Perambur is something that he filed his nomination first on the 30th of March, and it was yesterday in Trichy where Vijay had filed his second seat nomination. Now, in the Perambur affidavit that was submitted on the 30th of March, it is being said that Vijay mentioned that he has no pending cases against him. But this difference was pointed out in the Trichy East affidavit, which was submitted yesterday, that is the 2nd of April. Vijay, however, seems to have mentioned that he has a case registered in 2025 at a police station in Madurai. And the complainant says that during a TVK meeting, which happened back in 2025 when Vijay was walking on a ramp, he tried to climb the ramp and get closer look of the actor turned politician, but 10 bouncers had pushed him down forcefully, leading to injuries. It was a very infamous, we can call it, that case had happened, because we still remember the kind of one of the biggest rallies, Dharani, good morning, when Vijay began with his political campaign had happened in Madurai, and that very incident was also captured on cameras. Vijay's second affidavit, however, says that he didn't receive any summon or information regarding this case from the police department. However, this information seems to be missing from the first Perambur affidavit.
Well, on March 30, Vijay filed his affidavit for the Perambur Assembly constituency. But in that affidavit, he says that there is no pending police case against him. There are no pending police cases against him, is what Vijay says in this particular affidavit filed in Perambur Assembly constituency. But yesterday in Trichy East, in the affidavit copy that was submitted by TVK Chief Vijay, he says that there is a case registered against him in 2025 at the Kudukovil police station in Madurai district of Tamil Nadu under BNS 189 2 296B and 115-2. And this case is about an individual who had complained that during a TVK meeting on August 21, Vijay was walking on a ramp, and when this complainant tried to climb the ramp to get a closer look of the actor, around 10 pushed him forcefully, leading to injuries.
Yes.
So this complainant had filed a police complaint, and now Vijay has listed this in his affidavit in the Trichy East constituency. But as far as the Perambur Assembly constituency is concerned, this case is missing. It is not mentioned in that affidavit. So, of course, there are two different affidavits now with two different details, and it remains to be seen how the Election Commission of India is going to take this forward. But we also have to remember that every candidate, they can file up to 4 sets of nomination papers in each constituency. Yes. So in Perambur and in Trichy East, Vijay has only filed 2 sets of nomination papers each. So he can still correct this mistake, and he can,
well, it remains to be seen if this issue is going to be highlighted by the relevant agencies involved in this case. Thank you very much, Dharani, for joining in. That was a mega exclusive on Times Now that we have picked up. Let's, in the meantime, talk about another development.